Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Today I'm going to be doing a New Year's resolution / New Year tag. It's not really a tag because I'm not tagging anyone in it. I haven't been tagged. I just thought it'd make a really nice video. So I'm just going to get straight into it and hope you enjoy. First question is, if you had to choose one word to represent the year you had last year, what would it be? It would definitely be eventful. Last year was crazy for myself for lots of different reasons. The beginning of the year I moved back from Ireland back to Manchester. Spent a lot of time in Manchester, had some really great times there, and then towards the end of this year I moved back down south. I won't go into it too much details, it's all sorted itself out now. Me and my partner are still together, but yeah, he's up in Manchester, I'm down here. That's a whole nother video. Once I came down here, there was a load of things that happened. Some really sad things happened, some really kind of unfortunate things happened. I also got my new dog. So it was a real mixed bag of a year. There was some good and there was some bad. Definitely don't want to do next year again, but I'm really grateful for some of the things that did happen last year. So yeah, eventful. What word would you represent to choose your goals for the up and coming year? I definitely would use the word focused. I think I touched on this in like last year's video, that I was going to be really focused. I'm going to put everything into my YouTube channel, and it didn't really work out, which is a bit of a shame. Work kind of overtook. I've got a lot of kind of goals this year that I want to achieve. One of them is to get on with my YouTube. I really enjoy doing YouTube and it's something that I really want to do. I also want to focus on my health. I have become a little bit unhealthy recently, so I want to get back to that. I really want to start eating well, kind of not necessarily lose weight, but just get healthier and get back to how I was a couple of years ago. I also just want to focus on family and myself. So there's a whole load of reasons that I've chosen the word focus, just because I do need to focus a lot this year on just certain things in order to make them happen. How old will you turn this year? That's really bad English, isn't it? It should be what age will you be this year? Anyway, I will be 26 this year, which is crazy. I always think I'm 21. Someone asked me my age the other day and I was like, 21. I was like, no, I'm not, I'm 25. So yeah, in October the 3rd, I will be 26. Any travel plans? I've actually recently just been to Morocco. I went to Morocco with my mum in the middle of January. That was lovely, so I've been there. I have one holiday booked already to Ibiza. I've never been to Ibiza. It's not going to be like a clubby weekend or anything like that. It's literally just a long weekend for one of my friends' 30th. We're all going to go and literally just do a Friday to Monday, so that'll be lovely. And I know there is a few plans of travelling with my partner, so it'll be somewhere in Europe, just a nice week away somewhere, and I'm sure there'll be some random trips in between as well. If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? I would definitely go to either the Maldives or Bora Bora, or some kind of Caribbean island that is just out of this world. And obviously I know it's man-made, but just a really gorgeous Caribbean island holiday. That is where I'd go. I'd absolutely love that. If you could change any bad habit, what would it be? It would definitely be eating rubbish food. I could just sit there and I know I'm not hungry, but I'll just eat. And I know I'm not hungry, but I'll go and grab a biscuit, or I'll have a cup of tea full of sugar. So it's definitely bad, and it's one of my bad habits. And yeah, that would probably be it. So just comfort eating, I suppose it's called. Name a trend you'd like to see continue this year. I don't know, there's so many different trends out there at the moment. I don't know which one to choose. I suppose the whole healthy eating trend's a big trend. I mean, a couple of years back you would never see it was a kind of a man thing to do. Go out, get fit, get lean, get on the protein shakes and do all of that. And I think in the last couple of years there's a real trend of like women setting the pace in the fitness industry. You're right there, Luna, getting in my bed. What are you doing? Thanks for that, Luna. Just mess up my background there. So yeah, definitely would like to see that kind of continue, the whole fitness thing. Just makes it easier for girls that do want to do fitness to be able to do fitness. It's not kind of judged upon. This video is turning into a bit of a fitness video. It doesn't mean to be, but that's probably one of the trends that I would like to see continue. What are your official colours for the year? Show us something that you have. Now, this is really easy. I've moved house, and the house that I'm in, the room, or my room, is all black, white, copper and like a navy blue. So there's a copper mirror, a copper like light thing there. There's copper in my pillow, in my bed. Literally copper is the colour this year. I probably am a little bit late to the whole copper train. I know it's been a trend for ages, but yeah, I've just jumped on it. What change would you like to see made in your home, to your home? This is a bit of an easy one really, because I'm kind of doing it now, hence this is a new room, but I just want to continue kind of decorating my room, I suppose. Just adding some bits to the walls, and yeah, just jazzing it up with some copper. That's about it really, because it's a new home, so it's all exciting anyway, and it's all new to me anyway. And the last one is, what's your New Year's resolution? It's really simple, and I think I have the same one every year, but just have a really nice year, be happy, no drama, just be happy within myself, within my body, as in like healthiness. That doesn't make any sense, but just be happy, be healthy, get to my target kind of body image, and yeah, just enjoy family time, just enjoy the little things in life. Yeah, I don't really have a New Year's resolution because I don't really tend to stick to them. Perhaps that should be my New Year's resolution, stick to one. I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. It was a short and sweet little tag video. I did ramble in some spaces, and I'm still rambling now, but if you do want to see more of my videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!